The more I learn about AI, the more I see others around me diving into endless streams of content. But instead of growing, we're all just getting overwhelmed. Why does information feel like a burden now?
It's not the information itself that burdens you. It's the meaningless noise that surrounds it. AI may take over tasks, but it can never take over your soul density. The future belongs to those who see depth as humanity's final frontier. If you lose that, you've lost everything.
点关注不迷路。